Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Bani bin Muhammad Zuki. My number kinetic is 04DET124F1077. Today I want to talk about safety-based question for using oscilloscope. Okay, number 1, check the grounding. For example, always make sure the oscilloscope and the device under test are properly ground to prevent electrical shock and equipment damage. Besides that, avoid connecting the ground plate to a live circuit point as it can create a short circuit. Okay, number 2, check probe rating. For example, verify that the oscilloscope probe is read for the voltage and current level you plan to measure. Using a probe with an insufficient rating can lead to equipment failure to hazardous situations. Alright, number 3, avoid contact with live circuit. For example, keep your hands and any conductive object away from live circuit parts while making measurement. Besides that, use only one hand when probing the live circuit to reduce the risk of electric shock passing through your body. Okay, number 4, inspect equipment before use. For example, check for any visible damage to the oscilloscope, ropes and cable before use. Cracked insulation, broken wire or damaged connector can pose safety hazard. Besides that, ensure that all connections are secure and free of defect. Okay, number 5, check the oscilloscope to save range. For example, before measuring, set the input channel and voltage range to a safe level that matches the expected signal. Besides that, use intonation setting on the probe is measuring high voltage signal. Okay, number 6, work in a safe environment. For example, make sure your workspace is dry and free of any liquid to prevent electrical hazard. Besides that, use an anti-static mat or surface to protect sensitive components from electrostatic discharge. Number 7, use personal protective equipment. For example, wear appropriate PPE such as safety glass to protect your eyes from accidental spark or debris. Besides that, use insulated gloves when handling high voltage equipment for extra protection. Okay, number 8, be cautious of power supply unit. For example, if you are working with power supply of circuit connect to main voltage, use isolation transformers to reduce the risk of direct exposure to high voltage. Besides that, turn off the power supply and discharge any capacitor in the circuit before connecting or adjusting your probe. Number 9, follow manufacturer guideline. For example, always refer to the user manual and follow the manufacturer recommendation for sale or operation. Besides that, be aware for any specific warning or precaution indicates for the model or circuit you are using. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad. My number battery is 04DET24F1083.
Okay, firstly, we should to switch on the switch oscilloscope. Okay, we need the probe oscilloscope to calibrate the oscilloscope and turn on the switch oscilloscope and connect the probe oscilloscope and crocodile terminal and then the positive terminal to calculation 5 volt. You need to adjust the position and we need to adjust the position and volt per division, and then we need to adjust the to 0.5 and time per division to 0.5, and then we get the result.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Harisakal bin Muhammad Isham. My metric number is 04DET24F1036. Today, I will show you guys how to measure or calculate VPP, time and frequency. Let's go. Okay, I will tell you guys the introduction of oscilloscope. First thing first, oscilloscope is a device that allows the amplitude of electrical signal, whether they be voltage, current, power, other than that, to be displayed primarily as a function of time. The basic instrument for the study all type of waveform. Next, an oscilloscope, sometimes abbreviated as scope, is a voltage sensing electronic instrument that is used to visualize certain voltage waveform. Third, an oscilloscope can display the variation of a voltage waveform in time on the oscilloscope screen. Then I will tell you guys the main basic function of oscilloscope. Measure AC per DC voltage, measure AC or DC current, measure the time and frequency, measure the phase differential between two waveforms. That's all from me. Thank you. Okay, first thing first, we will start with calculate VPP. Number of division is 2, while the volt per division is 0.2 volt. We will calculate it like number of division is 2 and volt per division is 0.2.